Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Mr. Greek 2002. In today's video, I finally got my all-new 2020 iPad Pro and my Smart Folio case. It's just a case, not the keyboard. Alright, today's gonna be the unboxing of them. So without further ado, on with the unboxing, okay? First, let's go ahead and do the iPad Smart Folio. It's a black one. They had several colors, white, black, blue, green, I think one more. I actually wanted the black one, so I went for it. Okay, and the back here, there's a pull tab. You just pull it out, okay. And now you're able to push the top part through, so like that. Comes out like that, guys. Okay, and there it is. Wow, nice Apple logo back there. And it comes out like that. Nothing else left in the packaging. It's an empty box. Okay. We'll go ahead and close it. And there we go. We'll reseal it up like that. There's the back of the box. Alright, you see how it goes on the iPad. And some more writing. Wonderful. This again is 11-inch size, okay? So, here's the actual Smart Folio case in black color. Let's open it up. They have some kind of cardboard box in here. Okay, it's just blank. You guys just saw it. And inside the actual case, the Smart Folio case, there's some kind of like nice felt all over. So felt here, felt there, felt there. There's a break here in felt, but the felt continues on this panel here, and the other side is just regular silicone type material. Alright, nice Apple logo, a nice cutout for the actual back camera with the lighter sensor. Yep, so that's done. Put the packaging off to the side now. Okay, there you go. So guys, next up, the actual iPad itself, iPad Pro. This is the year 2021, 11-inch. Why only 11-inch? Well, I thought 12.9-inch is a bit too big for me, so I figured I'll go with a smaller size. That's why. I'm used to a 9.7-inch iPad. I've had maybe 3 or 4 of them this past few years. So I figured, why get a 12.9 when I've been having 9.7 for so long and I'm used to that size and form factor? I think 12.9 would be too big for me. So therefore, I opted for the 11-inch. They had a 10.5-inch regular iPad available as well to buy right now, 2019 model. But I felt like I wanted to get the Pro, I wanted to upgrade, I wanted the Face ID, I wanted the all-new LiDAR sensor. So I went for the Pro model. Let's go ahead now, guys, and unbox it. There's a pull tab here. It's kind of at the top of the iPad. Sounds so good. Very satisfying. And there it is, unwrapped. Nice ASMR. Alright, put it off to the side. And there it is, it says 128 GB, iPad Pro, 11-inch, second generation, Wi-Fi, in space gray color. I didn't want the silver. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it for you guys the proper way. There we go. There's a box, there's the iPad. Use a pull tab to lift it up. And there it is. All new space gray 11-inch, second generation 2020 iPad Pro. Wow guys, I absolutely love it. This camera setup is absolutely amazing, and it's pretty much a lot like the iPhone 11 Pro models, which I currently have one, the Max version. So that's why I opted for the Pro series, simply because of the Face ID and the new camera system. I was very tired of the old Touch ID button, the home button. I felt like I'm using like, a dinosaur iPad. I want something new and improved. So that's why I went ahead and splurged for this iPad Pro. Okay, put it off the side here. Also in the box, I have this designed by Apple California pamphlet here. I guess with some quick setup pamphlets, okay. And also I'm noticing here, there's a cutout actually for the camera system at the back of the iPad. Wow, that's nice. That's something new. Okay, let's go ahead and open the manuals here. Seems like you just take it here from the top. I think that's it, okay. I'll go ahead now and show you guys the pamphlets here, okay. First one says iPad Pro. Nice quick setup guide. 3-page pamphlet, double-sided, okay. Second one, here's the French version. Okay. Next up here we have two pamphlets, one in English, one French. Says here, basically just some more details. Safety and handling, exposure, battery, yada yada yada. Okay, regulatory, all this nonsense basically. Okay, and the actual Apple stickers. They are quite large, eh? My oh my. Quite more larger than the iPhone ones. Okay. Put them all back in the pamphlet box here. This again is the Wi-Fi only model, so there's no real SIM removal tool because there's no cellular in this iPad. Alright, so we have the new USB-C charger and the USB-C to USB-C connector. Correct, because this iPad is actually a USB-C iPad. There's no lightning connector on the bottom of here. That's right, because as you guys can see here, it's only USB-C. There's no lightning connector anymore. Nope. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and now put everything back in the box. We're not gonna get them right now. Put the top cover back on. Wonderful. We'll put the box now off to the side. There it goes. And we'll go ahead now and unbox the actual iPad itself. So, turn on towards you guys. Put it on there. Let's hear it now. Unwrapping. Ooh, sounded so good and so satisfying, guys. Ah, amazing. Right off the bat, guys, we see here there's some kind of 3 pins here, I guess for the new Smart keyboard. The backlight one, okay. And again, the camera system. And a nice Apple logo. Looks kind of blackish. And a nice space gray material. You also see some kind of antenna around here. A black antenna on top. There's no antenna on the bottom. It's just plain. Alright, let's go ahead and now pick it up. And there it is. The all-new 2020 iPad Pro 11-inch model. Let's go ahead and now put this wrapping away. And there it goes. So guys, you see here, USB-C connector, no more lightning, got a speaker. Turn around here, it's got a speaker, wonderful, 4 speakers. My previous 9.7-inch regular iPad, and I also had, up until a couple of years ago, an iPad Air. They didn't have 4 speakers, they had only just 2 speakers, and they were at the bottom, and that was not so loud, and not so surround sound sounding to me. So therefore, this is definitely a huge upgrade for me, and part of the reason why I got it. The speakers, the Face ID, the new camera system, exactly. Okay, and top here, there's the actual power button. The side here you see 2 switches for the rocker volume switches, basically, yep, up and down. And here, I don't know what that's for, I guess that's for the cellular models. But because it's just Wi-Fi, it's just blocked off. And on the side here, there's another microphone opening, okay. And in the front here, there's a front-facing camera and I think a front-facing microphone. Wonderful, okay. I'll go ahead now, guys, and turn it around for you. And there it goes, guys. Wonderful. It took about 5 seconds of holding the button down in order for the actual iPad to start booting up for you, okay? I find that to be true as well on my older 9.7-inch 2018 regular iPad. I gotta hold the button down for a long time. But my very old iPad Air 2, you hold the button down for like 1 second or 2 seconds and it already starts booting. So apparently they changed that now. And there it is. We gotta set it up, so I'll go ahead now and do it.
A few minutes later.
So guys, I just finished setting it all up, okay? It took about 10 minutes or so. And there it is, okay? Absolutely wonderful. It comes with the old style background, okay? Not the new one, alright? But all the important applications are installed for you. We've got a second page full of all Apple, pretty much OEM applications, okay? Feel free to go ahead and delete them or move them around as you please, basically. I'm gonna go ahead now, soon after this video, and start to customize this iPad to my liking. This iPad, guys, is gonna be replacing my very old iPad Air 2 that I got back in like 2013-ish. So I have that iPad since brand new. I just sold it a couple of days ago for around $250 Canadian, okay? The battery was obviously degraded, not too bad. It was degraded a little bit. It didn't have all-day battery life anymore. It had maybe, 4 or 5 hours battery life, basically about half of that. Alright, so I'm so happy to have this brand new iPad in my lineup, basically, okay? I'm going to be using it for playing games, editing my YouTube videos, editing and creating my thumbnail for my YouTube videos, as well as surfing the web, communicating through email, obviously watching a lot of YouTube videos. Okay, so let's go ahead now, lock it up. We'll put it now in the case. Apparently this case now, this folio case, I guess all over here, has magnets in it. And then on this side, it's got a magnet, I guess just here, like a strip here, to actually automatically lock the iPad and automatically unlock the iPad. So let's see now. Is that true? We'll go ahead and put it on for you guys to see. Yep, it just banged right on. There you go. I guess it automatically lined it by itself. Okay. Let's go ahead now and turn it on. Let's check the volume here. I just turned the volume up for the notifications. Okay. Let's see if it locks. Yep, it locked. Wonderful. Okay. Open it up. It opens right up. Absolutely wonderful, guys. Okay. Show you guys again. Lock it. Yep. Unlock it. There it is. Wonderful. We'll go ahead now, guys, and try to prop it up for you. So you go like this. Okay, you pick it up like this. Oh, the other way. Okay. And there it is. It props up. Magnificent. Okay. Let's see if we can do it the other way, like this. And there it goes like that. Wonderful. Alright. I use it mainly like this. All the way up. And there you have it now, guys. My all new 2020 iPad Air Pro 11-inch second generation model. So this effectively, guys, ends the video. I'll go ahead now after this video and set up my all new iPad exactly how I want it. This is your boy, Mr. Greek 2002. Please, guys, drop a huge like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more future iPad Pro 11-inch content. I'll see you guys in the next upload.